guys, what's going on? RC Pilot Will here. I got Bobby on the camera.
What's going on?
And we got my version 1 F-16. Used to be a Thunderbird, so now it has a Mitsubishi F-2 scheme.
Beautiful.
So
you did that?
Yep, I did this. It's all red under the bottom,
wow.
And it's got the red tips along with the blue strip in the middle. I kept some of the Thunderbird stuff, of course, the United States Air Force. I kept part of the flag thingy, whatever. So I kept some of the stuff that was originally on the Thunderbird scheme. But I'm not a big Thunderbird guy.
Right.
It was like a Blue Angel scheme or something. Yeah, I would have kept it. But this is a hand-me-down. So, not hand-me-down, dang, a second-hand.
Pre-owned, there you go.
This is a pre-owned. So, so I did some fixing up to it. And today, we're gonna make it.
Nice.
And we're gonna see how well it does, and we're gonna talk about it. So without further ado, I already calibrated the ESC. I already got all of my stuff set up, so we're good to go.
Oh, that was ailerons I just saw.
Yep.
Oh, yep. That's gonna be fun.
So let's get it in the air. What do you think, man?
All right, up and away.
All right.
It's really beautiful, man.
All right, guys, got everything ready to go. Let's take off. Maiden flight.
AS3X. 30 seconds, no data.
Nice.
Gear retracted.
That was a very scale takeoff.
That was a very sketchy one too, because it almost didn't make it over those trees. A little bit of trimming.
Pitch 18 up. 1 minute. Pitch 26 up. Roll 8 right.
Might have power a little bit.
Pitch 32 up. Roll 2 right.
All right. Bring it down low.
Nice.
Running on a
No data.
HRB 6000. I'm on flight for about 3 minutes 30 seconds, guys, and I'm gonna bring it in because I don't have telemetry hooked up on this stuff. But that 6000, man, you know that 6000 hold up pretty good. You swing it up.
Nice. How'd you like that?
It was comfortable. It was comfortable. It was just, orientation was a little weird.
Sorry for the jumpiness, guys. The stabilization just went off because I got a low battery.
We trying to get this content for you guys.
That's it, at all costs.
Gear
All right,
extended.
let's go ahead and bring it in because I think I should be about the 3 minute mark. So
3 minutes,
Yep,
no
that is.
data.
Wow. Score! Nice landing, buddy. Man, that was a good landing right there. Jeez.
yeah, I tried, man.
Dude, nah, you tried, you did. Wow. Nice.
Runway.
30 seconds, no data.
I'm really digging the scheme.
Yeah.
They should do this. I like this better than the Thunderbirds.
Oh yeah, man, that's a nice scheme. It's just that it's not. I don't think it's an American scheme. So
Right.
AS3X.
All right, here we go.
And she's up.
All right, bring her down the runway. Down the line. Oh, she got the wobble.
She's moving.
Need to adjust those gains a little bit. All right, let's see what the roll rate this thing like. Right.
Very clean.
Yep, that was clean. Kind of up high, but it's clean. I gotta remember I don't have telemetry hooked up on here.
Ah. Ooh, that was quick.
Yeah, that tail went past it quick, wasn't it?
Man, I struggled. I wasn't prepared.
I wasn't prepared for it either. If I had to give it power. Yeah, I felt that breeze kick up on it. I had to
did.
give it power. I was like, no. Got 3 minutes on it. We're doing all right.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna bring it in because I'm gonna need to adjust those gains. That's too much wobble.
Makes it uncomfortable in the flight.
Makes it
Yeah.
uncomfortable.
It is dealing with a lot of wind up there.
It is. There's too much on the roll. That's a fine level. Dang,
Ooh,
too hard.
man.
Dropped it too hard.
Dang. Well,
Oh, we won't be doing a second flight today.
not today. But
We'll go get it off the field.
Yep.
And
go take that walk of shame, Will.
take that walk of shame.
We all do it.
We all do
It's
it.
part of the hobby.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bobby, appreciate you on the camera.
Yeah, man.
Don't forget to check out RC Plane Reviewer for some awesome reviews. And don't worry, guys, I think at the end of this, I'm putting this thing back in the air.
Hey, this is a normal occurrence for the F-16. You know, this is kind of normal.
I sat it down a little too hard. Wind was hitting me. It was rocking more than I wanted it to. It was uncomfortable for today. So, but we'll get it squared away.
Pick up and carry on, fly again.
That's right. RC Pilot Will out.
I was always told growing up, if you fail, try again. And that is just what I plan to do. The nose wheel is fixed and the door is back on and we're ready for another flight.